Hello mga PDAX, we are starting soon. I repeat, we are starting soon. So invite your friends, invite your family, invite your boyfriend, girlfriend, kung sino man yan. So we'll be starting a bit. See you soon mga PDAX. Three, two, one, and we are live. Good afternoon, mga PDAX, and welcome to Crypto News Weekly, where I'm your host or co-host, Kyle. And here in this weekly webinar, we have the latest and greatest news in cryptocurrencies as we want to share what's happened over the past week and what we can do to help you in your journey, mga PDAX. So once again, if this is your first time here, welcome. No, this is a weekly webinar that happens every Friday at 5 p.m. And in this webinar, we aim to really dissect what happened during the week so that you can be more prepared in your journey. So, with that being said, I would just like to welcome those that are commenting right now. Hello mga kapidax. Hi Kimberly. Shout out dyan. Hi Edley. Good afternoon. Hi Benedict. Hindi kami nagbibigay ng scholar, but if ever, ito na yung pang promotion mo yan. If in case gusto mo mag-scholar na, magpa-scholar kay Benedict. Hi Aaron, welcome. And hello Reynaldo. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Guys, favor naman, no, if you could just like and share this, no, comment lang kayo. Tag kayo ng isang friend. Say, guys, nood tayo ng Crypto News Wiki. That would help so much, no? And that would help so much. And we feel na we always want to reach more people and help more people. So with that being said, we really appreciate it. And if you do that, no, you'll be eligible to join our pamigay or a giveaway. So we always have giveaways here sa PDAX, no? And if you do that, we'll be giving away something very special and something not for sale that we have already given away so many times in this webinar, but only a select few have gotten it because it's very exclusive now. So with that being said, let's get started and I'll share my screen now. But before that, no, before that, I'll just share the disclaimers of this webinar as always. No? Siyempre, dapat may mga preempt tayo dyan. So, ito. Game. So, before we get started, we just wanted to have some disclaimers, which is the views and opinions that are expressed in this webinar are only that of the presenters and do not necessarily reflect the company's views. The statements being made are not to be treated as investment or financial advice. So please exercise caution when buying and selling cryptocurrencies as they are highly volatile. So what is PDAX? So if this is your first time watching us, PDAX stands for the Philippine Digital Asset Exchange, proudly Pinoy local exchange that is BSP licensed and allows Filipinos to buy and sell digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, BCH, USDT, USDC, Link, Uni, GRT, Engine, BAT, Comp, and many more coming soon. So we really want you to stay tuned, no? Kasi we're always looking to add more tokens and more coins onto PDAX. So we hope you support us by creating an account now. So you can get started at pdax.ph. Simple as that, pdax.ph. Visit us at our website, or you can download our app available on the Apple App Store, Google Play Store, or Huawei App Gallery sa mga Huawei users natin dyan, or Android users natin dyan. Alright? So, sinabi ko kanina, tag your friend, no? Tag mo lang isang friend and like this stream, like this Facebook Live for a chance to win a PDAX shirt, guys. Alam mo, di namin binibenta to and this is something highly requested within our community for those to have a PDAX t-shirt kasi di namin talaga binibenta to kasi very limited edition to. No? Parang NFT na lang or some sort of way. No? So, if you could do us a favor, if you will be commenting your thoughts, share this Facebook Live and tagging your friends, we'll be putting you as an eligible person to win a PDAX t-shirt. No? So you'll have like 2 or 3 chances to win that. We'll be giving away 2 or 3 t-shirts now. So comment lang tayo rin, guys. Libre lang naman mag-like and share, diba? So ito lang yung request ko sa inyo. And before we continue also, after this stream nyo, if you wanna learn more about our community, you can scan your QR code dito sa scan yung QR code nyo, yung camera nyo, QR code na ito. It'll show you all the links to what I said earlier, yung Apple App Store link, Huawei App Gallery, our Facebook community, our Telegram community, all there. You can learn more about our community that's thriving with thousands of members and more. No? So I'll continue here. Okay. Just wanted to share once more some announcements. This is the last week that we've extended the Refer a Friend promo from the month of August and now we're extending it for the month of September until September 30, 2021. For those who are first time listening, yung Refer a Friend promo natin is applicable for those that are verified at least on PDAX. And all you have to do is follow yung mechanics lang. Share mo yung promo code sa friend mo and you'll be, once they sign up and verify, you'll be eligible to win a 50 peso worth of BTC that will be credited to your account within like a week of them verifying. So highly encourage everyone to sign up kasi you can earn up to 10,000 pesos worth of Bitcoin if I'm not mistaken, no? So you can check more our promo mechanics over at our Facebook page. And from there you'll be able to learn more about paano nga ba mag-refer a friend. Pero ang dali lang guys, and 50 pesos worth of Bitcoin, why not, diba? Libre na rin ano yan, pagkain yan or merienda na rin natin yan. Kung ibebenta natin, easy cash out to multiple cash out options and cash in options over at PDAX. All right. Yun. And then, before we get started, I'll just shout out again sa mga nagko-comment. Thank you so much kay She, or She, sorry, paano yung pronunciation. Thank you for tagging your friends, no? Team Yayamanin. Yan, Team PDAX Yayamanin tayo. Yan, ha? Good day, mga ka-PDAX buddy. Si Rinaldo, green na green sana mga portfolios natin dyan. Amen, sir. And si Virgil, thank you for inviting. Si Mary, si John, thank you for inviting. Juvel, thank you for inviting. Emmer, Earl, thank you. Si Mark rin. Si Nild, watching from Tuguegarao City. Thank you and welcome, sir. Thank you for watching from Tuguegarao. Hope everyone is safe also. Hope everyone is staying safe right now, no? And yes, with that being said, let's get started. Comment tayo 1 kung ready na tayo, guys. Comment tayo 1, 1. 111, 111. Pero 1, yeah. I just wanted to share, grabe, very interesting turn of events this week. Nothing super extraordinary, pero nagka-dip eh. Nag-dip sobra ng marami yung Ethereum and I guess BTC, or I guess the whole week in event, also because of the Evergrande news, right? Yung Chinese real estate market na that is over-leveraged and might actually default on its lahat ng mga utang, no? So, we won't really dive into it kasi, I mean, it's not necessarily crypto focused, but na-affect yung crypto markets ng konti, no? So, but right now, it's recovering again, and we'll be talking about that later at the trading corner. All right, so let's get started. I see a lot of ones. Hello, shout out kay Marissa, watching from Isabel. Sige, guys, let's begin. Our first news is Twitter enables tipping with Bitcoin and plans to let users authenticate Nfps. Twitter is turning on the ability to ask for tips in Bitcoin through its app, making it the first major social network to encourage use of the cryptocurrency as a method of payment. The company also plans to let users connect their crypto wallets and authenticate the ownership of NFTs they tweet with a special badge. Twitter has been testing tipping for a few months now, but the company hasn't made tip widely available until Thursday, when the feature is rolling out globally on iOS with Android to follow. Besides Bitcoin, Twitter will let users connect 9 traditional payment providers, including Venmo and Cash App, to their profiles to accept tips. Twitter isn't processing the payments itself, so they're doing it via Stripe, which is a American-based company. So hindi pa talaga siya available to all countries, but hopefully soon they can also do it for international payments. No? That would be very interesting and very fun to use. Imagine guys, magtitweet ka na, pwede randomly someone can just tip you with Bitcoin. Technically, yung mga comments ng mga magulang dyan na kaka-computer mo dyan, ayan, nakaka-Bitcoin ka dyan sa mga computer mo dyan. So, I see this as positive news and development kasi even if lahat ng mga crypto markets bumababa in terms of prices, doesn't mean that companies or institutions are stopping over the development of crypto in its very infant stage. No? So it's very uplifting news overall. And yeah, what do you guys think, mga ka-PDAX? Do you think this is very good? May Twitter ba kayo? Follow us on Twitter pala. We have twitter.com/PDAX_PH. Pero check nyo na lang. We'll share it later. We have a Twitter in, so you can follow us for more up-to-date tweets. No? So, ayun. Wanted to see everyone's comments here kung gusto rin nila yung tipping with Bitcoin or very interested ba sila sa mga Twitter and whatnot. Imagine guys, what if meron na rin sa Facebook, no? Magkaka-tip with Bitcoin. Or maybe ibang currency, maybe. Pero I think it's the next step naturally, right? Kasi nandito na rin tayo. We're almost always on our phones. And we think na, I guess these social networks want to really integrate themselves with us in terms of like, from every step of the way, kahit na yung payments, nandun sila. They're part of it, right? Even siguro like Instagram, I guess that would be a good use case rin, diba? Kung yung mga mga food trip tayo, bibili tayo ng stuff on Instagram, sabihin nila, oh, pay me in Bitcoin. Ayan, pay you in Bitcoin, di ba? So baka mag-enable rin in the future. Not saying it will happen certainly, but it's certainly trending towards that kind of future na may payment stack on top of our social networks. So yan, good news raw. Good news, hype, and good news. Sige. Move on tayo to the next news. Pa-comment naman too para ready na tayo. Sige. Moving on to the next one. Robinhood says it will start testing crypto wallets from October. So, highlights Robinhood to start testing crypto wallets next month. The company claims to have loaded its wallets with security features, and cryptocurrency wallets allow people to store and trade digital tokens. So they're going to have it this October, and these digital wallets allow people to send, receive, and store cryptocurrencies. Trying to establish its upcoming crypto wallet as cyber safe, Robinhood claims to have built security features around identity verification and authentication. So before kasi may Robinhood na crypto, pero you can only buy and sell crypto. So pwede ka bumili ng Bitcoin, pwede ka bumili ng Ethereum or Doge. But you couldn't withdraw the funds or yung binili mong crypto to your wallet or to other exchanges. So that's something they've developed, and they say na starting October, they will begin testing it and hopefully like allow it. So overall, I see it also as a positive light kasi if I remember correctly, si Robinhood nag-public IPO. So this is sort of very very nice, no? Kasi it's a public company that is signaling that they want to support crypto, not just as a buy and sell instrument, but also being able to withdraw and deposit these assets. No? And overall, I think it's very good news and it's very bullish. Pero lahat naman bullish na news, di ba? Yung mga Twitter and Bitcoin and whatnot. Even though overall the price may not agree with us, maybe the fundamentals of it, right? Support is coming, that is for sure. Even though yung price hindi nag-hit ng support at nag-fail ng support and resistance. Gets ba? Haha, joke lang. Sige, comment na tayo. Musta tayo, guys? Musta? Okay naman tayo dyan? Comment naman tayo dyan. Musta? How do you guys think of crypto wallets? And do you have a crypto wallet aside from the PDAX? Do you store all your funds on PDAX? We want to know also, because I mean, you can also the thing is, if you buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on PDAX, you can also withdraw those Bitcoin and Ethereum from PDAX to your other wallets. So it's very useful and very it's useful for whatever need you may want. So kung gusto mong gamitin yung PDAX account mo na i-send mo to your friend in the States or kapamilya, siguro in the States or what country, bili ka ng USDT, i-send mo sa kanya, marireceive niya, boom, you've sent an international payment or an international remittance. It's a very interesting use case. Sige. Let us move on to the next news, guys. Next news. Exciting. Ito mga ka-aksi dyan. Mga ka-aksi tayo dyan. Breeding fee update for Axie ecosystem. So earlier today or yesterday night, it was announced that Axie will be updating their breeding fees, no? So in 24 hours, that was yesterday or 2 days ago, yung AXS cost per breed has been reduced from 2 AXS to 1 na lang. Tsaka yung SLP costs umakyat to like yung table na nakita nyo dyan sa picture, no? So yung observations from Sky Mavis, no, include growth, while still strong, has been slowing down due to concerns over an imbalanced amount of SLB minted versus burned per day. Volatility in AXS and SLP price has caused large fluctuations in the breeding fee. And AXS, as a portion of the breeding fee, has inflated, which has taken away SLP's utility within our economy. AXS is now over 80% over the breeding fee. So with this change, it makes it so that nagka-balance siya. Alam mo, yung mga naglalaro ng Dota or League of Legends or Mobile Legends, alam mo yung mga patch, di ba? Yung parang kung nakita nila, uy, naging parang magaling na masyado yung hero na to, kailangan natin i-balance para hindi siya unfair. So in a way, yung kumpanya ng Sky Mavis which develops Axie, no? Na Axie Infinity has decided na in order to make the ecosystem sustainable, in order to make it sustainable, yung kailangan gawin natin is adjust natin yung breeding fee. And in a way, right now, it's very centralized yung pag-decision making dyan. And they acknowledge that in the Substack nila, yung newsletter nila. But they also recognize na in the future, they want na maging decentralized yung process of it all. They want na over time, players themselves will be able to give inputs and suggest ideas that can make the ecosystem more sustainable. So right now, I think umakyat yata yung SLP due to demand, nag-bounce siya. And also, yeah, hopefully this makes all scholars and managers and guilds happy, no? I also can't announce it now, but we have something very exciting coming for scholars and managers now. So it's a service we have been planning for a while now, and we want to roll it out soon. We will be able to make things easier, and yun na lang. That's all I can say for now. But we'll make things easier for you, mga scholars and managers. Very exciting service and program. So stay tuned and watch out for that. No? But overall, I can see this as very positive, I guess, from the Axie Infinity ecosystem because they're really trying to make it sustainable. And by the looks of it, it has naman, yeah. And due to the insane growth and insane users on Axie Infinity, mga halos 1.5 million users, this change really comes as warranted kasi more and more SLP is being minted every day. Kasi the only way you can make SLP, diba, is from naglalaro ka, nag-MMR, battle, PvP. So, with 1.5 million users, parang SLP's value was bound to just decline kasi more and more people have SLP, diba? So more and more people want to sell SLP. It's very interesting how this economy plays out, but I'm sure they will add more utility to SLP. I'm sure they'll add more utility to AXS, excuse me, and other axes, no? So overall, very good, very exciting as well. So SLP upgrade for me, sabi ni Aaron. Very nice, very nice. Okay, musta mga lahat? Everyone still good? Everyone have axes? Musta mga breeding strategies natin dyan? Okay naman ba? Sa akin, hindi na ako nagbe-breed, but I have friends that they have a lot of, marami na silang nakabreed and very good experience nila so far, and nakagawa na rin sila ng, meron na rin silang scholars and whatnot. Pero ako wala, wag niyo akong tanungin for pa-scholar po. So, I'm sure meron na mga tao dyan na very interested in the ecosystem, and hopefully I'm pretty sure this will only grow bigger and bigger as time comes. No? Kasi in reality, Axie Infinity has done a lot of things for a lot of people, but mostly here sa Pilipinas, diba? Kasi dahil nga sa pandemic, things happened and people lost jobs, and Axie actually fulfilled that gap kasi it was able to provide a living, di ba? 150 SLP a day, enough, sapat to make a living or at least make it sustainable. So the company Sky Mavis is really looking to support that ecosystem and make sure na sustainable siya. All right. Sige. So yan. Ay, sorry. While we're there, let me entertain some comments lang. What's up? Nasaan si Sir Tim Gonzalez? So actually, nandito siya with me, pero later na lang kasi busy siya ngayon. But stay tuned. And I'm sure he'll be popping up soon. But don't worry. Si Rinaldo, Ronin Dex, inaabangan ko, hold pa rin. Very interesting nga yung development niyan ng Ronin Dex, no? My advisory po si SEC with regards to NFT games. Meron ba? Let me check. SEC, NFT. Kailan siya na-release? I just wanna... Ito ba yung nung August pa or yung very recent lang ba ito? I just want to figure that out. Kasi, I mean, we knew yung August 24, diba? We also were able to provide guidance via the help of Taxumo we were able to partner with Taxumo to provide light on paano ba yung taxation sa crypto in the Philippines with regards to earnings in terms of NFT games, no? So baka if you're referring to that, we've provided that September 12. So I think we did briefly talk about that. Merong webinar kami with Taxumo that talks about the taxation in the Philippines regarding NFT games. So let's move on. Daily market prices as of September 24, 12 p.m. guys. So right now it's looking very green. Pero hindi really green eh. Pero overall, I won't say na kasi you can check it naman sa you can check it out sa ano namin sa Facebook page regarding the each and every crypto and whatnot, no? We have daily market prices on our Facebook page. So I won't bore you with that anymore. But I will be sharing a trading corner time. So it's trading corner time, and we will be looking into famous or the biggest crypto, and we analyzing them. Disclaimer again, as said earlier in this webinar, hindi po ako expert. I do my best. I trade by myself as well, but I'm not the best trader. I'm more of a long-term person or maybe hodler. But once in a while, I try to look at the markets just to see if how is it overall. So yeah, let's get started. Thank you, Ronaldo. KTC, thank you. I'm humbled. Wala ako kumpara sa TTC, which is So let's start with Bitcoin. All right. So last week, sabi ko, there was the resistance of 49K and also the support of around 47K. So we clearly broke the support, right? 47K, nag-dip all the way to almost 39.5K US dollars. However, it was able to bounce back, right? It found a support in 40K, 40.5K, and right now it's sitting at 44K, right? And that's a 10% gain from the lows from 44 to 44K from 40K. But still also a 10% loss from last week's 48K. And I think this news of the Evergrande really triggered this loss and fear in the markets, right? Yung nag nag-announce na Evergrande will Evergrande default on its loans. So everyone got scared there kasi kung this very big and over-leveraged Chinese real estate company, which yung loans nila over $300 billion worth of loans. Kung mag-default sila, baka ma-affect yung lahat ng mga ibang companies. And that really sparked a lot of fear in the community or like in equities, even equities na hit siya. However, nag-bounce back siya. Kasi I guess the saying, diba, when there's blood in the streets, you should be buying or something like that. And when everyone's greedy, you should be fearful. When everyone's fearful, you should be greedy. So in that kind of sense, I think that may be happening, right? Yeah. So right now I see the what's called it. I see the support right now to be, let's be a bit more conservative, right? The support right now, to be honest, is not looking great. It's like 40K, 40.5K. Resistance it needs to break is at least 45K right now. It's an immediate resistance, no. Do I think it may return back to 55, 54K? Yeah, definitely. The question is when, right? So we don't know when. And as always, if your strategy here is to accumulate more Bitcoin, then it's always a great place to buy, right? As always, not financial advice, but this is just how I would see it. Yeah. Kayo, what do you guys think? Is bullish, bearish, or sideways crab market? May nag-comment dito, hello Sir Kyle, pwede ba mag-intern sa PDAX kung willing ng videos and memes? Wow, kahit recent. Yes, thank you Strive Night for commenting. Please Facebook message our Facebook page and what do you call that? Inquire about this. We're always open naman kung willing mga tao mag-internship. So feel free to message our Facebook page with this intent, and then we can connect you to our HR team. Any update regarding possible lawsuit against XRP? Thank you, Virgil, for help for bringing this up. There are no updates so far with regarding the XRP lawsuit. Check ko nga ngayon. Um, as always, sure there are news yung bagong major shift in SEC strategy, admission of defeat. But again, parang it's back and forth pa rin eh. And yet, XRP as a whole is unfazed by the new ruling by the SEC. And I think, uh, once nagkaroon ng decision, alam na natin if the XRP will be really treated as a security by the SEC. But as of now, no major updates. It's still volatile as always. So trade your plan if you're trying the risk. Uh, yeah, trade your plan and plan your trade. Si Aaron expects more retracement this month for Bitcoin. Bitcoin ba or XRP? Kailan po ba magkakaroon ng magandang PDAX chart? Nasa list din sa TradingView. So, we're planning to integrate TradingView. Watch out for that. No? Watch out for that. Update for Eng, sana masingit. Sige, let's try after this. After these two, after this one, let's do that. No? So after Bitcoin, syempre, we gotta go for Ethereum. And as stated dito sa chart natin, last week, sabi ko nga na it was similar to Bitcoin, yung resistance, mga 3,650. Well, it broke down because of news of Evergrande, right? So right now, it dipped as low as 2,750, nag-bounce back 10% to $3,053 as of now, or as of a few hours ago. I'm not sure about the price now, but very interesting turns of events. It got to find resistance. It got to find support at those levels and was able to bounce. Now, if you look farther away, parang long term. I mean, not long term, but medium term, it does look bearish, right? Kasi na ito this was the high, and then it hit a lower high, and then a lower low. A lower high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low. It broke it a bit, pero if we were to make it a longer term thing, parang it's still a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So parang it in a downtrend, it does look like it's in a downtrend. But for me, I think there may be a narrative that may evolve soon. Particularly if we're looking at 2022, first quarter of 2022, diba? There's news of Ethereum 2.0, which is the migration of Ethereum from a proof of work blockchain to a proof of stake blockchain. And if you're rooting for that to happen, let's say it happens Q1 of 2022, positive developments, yung pala bumili sobra yung mga transactions sa Ethereum, sobrang hindi siya mahal yung mga transactions, then there may be positive development for Ethereum's price action in the medium/long term. But again, if you are trading this based on like technical analysis, yeah, I guess it doesn't really look great, to be honest. So yeah, yun lang. So, kayo guys, what do you guys think? Load up ko lang yung chart for engine ngayon, requested ni John. Ayun agree bearish until the end of September. Yeah, it does look that. It does have that kind of trend. Usually kung September bearish, pero October malakas historically over the past 10 years. So I don't know if history repeats itself, but it does often rhyme, right? So we're looking forward to that, and we'll keep you posted on any developments there. So for now, gawin natin request ni John. Share natin screen. Gamitin natin yung PDAX exchange. Kasi syempre, dito tayo sa PDAX, gamitin natin yung exchange sa PDAX. Diba? All right. Okay, we are on. We are on the exchange. Okay. Game. Engine. Start your engines, guys. Okay, engine. If we're looking at the daily chart, we'll look at daily chart na lang, it's better. Yeah, it's similar to Ethereum actually kasi um, similar to the Evergrande news, bumaba siya, nag-decline siya. Pero it found a support sa 61 pesos, 'di ba? Umakyat to 68 pesos. Right now it's failing a bit. 68 from 71 pesos 68. But it does look bearish still on the short term, right? Same eh. Same as Ethereum na parang short term kasi tingnan mo to, naka-double top, triple top. It rejected these price levels, bumaba to 80 and eventually 60. But overall, Engine is a great project overall. Game ecosystem, lots of NFT games that are coming out or being developed. And I think fundamentally it is a solid thing. So if you are looking to purchase, siguro in the long term, this may be a good time to purchase. No? Again, not financial advice. What do I know? But yeah, Engine is a very promising project. Very exciting as well. Ano pa ba iba? Ayun, sabi ni Jamir, wake me up when September ends. Um, and then I think September is the bad month of crypto. Tama, sir. Tama. It is the bad month of crypto. While we're at it, let's check out other cryptos available on PDAX. No, let's go to Chainlink. So Chainlink, looking good, looking bad. Okay naman. I think no, si Chainlink is stuck in a sideways market right now. Overall, you see these two levels now, 1,500 pesos and also 1,100 pesos. Parang for the past month, 2 months, for the past 2 months or past 1 month, it has been around this area there. Actually, August 5, mga 1-1 na siya. Oh, bumalik na lang siya. Up and down, roller coaster. Right now, it's in this 1.1K. What stage is this in? I think it's the accumulation phase, right? We don't know when it will hit, but it is in an accumulation phase and hindi siya paakit, hindi siya pababa. So right now, boring siya. But there is a saying rin na parang the longer it is there, the longer in space. Something to that effect. Kasi parang sa sobrang tagal na niyan mag-accumulate, biglang ready na, that's possible. But it can also go the other way. Please don't take my words for being a bull always. Na pwede rin, it can go the other way, na bigla lang, baka mag-fail yung support levels dito, baka we can go back to 600 levels if ever. And if it fails support, right? So, ingat tayo dyan. And, yun, manage your risk properly. Ano pa ba, guys? Ano pa? Pasilip na rin, sir, ng comp kung may time. Game. Why not Choknut? Comment naman tayo dyan. Sino may hawak ng comp? Hawak tayo dyan. Hawak kamay tayo. It does look similar as well to Engine. Bakit? Well, it's been around this area from 26,000 pesos and 18,000 pesos. Umakit lang dyan, crab. It hasn't really broken out from these levels. One strategy, I would think, although not granted, right? So, syempre, as we've mentioned a lot of times in webinars previously, trading is a lot about probabilities, right? Wala namang certainty when we trade. When we trade, we think that something, or we predict the likeliness of the next action based on previous action, or like what potential it can be. And one thing you can do if you wanted to play it, or siguro probability, no? It just right now nag-figure out lang right now is nag-hit siya ng support which is around 15,000. Tingnan natin dito in July. It did hit also support at around those levels. And right now, there is a possibility na umakit siya back to resistance which is 25,000, right? And at this case, kung ganun yung play mo, then you can just buy at this level or buy at support and then sell at resistance. Buy low, sell high. I guess that's the most simplest way of doing it, right? Like 18,000, kung bumili ka ng one comp, right, with 18,000, sell it at resistance, 25,000, then that's 6K gain, 6K gain, 6.6K gain. You can do. The question is also the likelihood na lang. So, As always, manage your risk. Good luck with your trade if you ever plan through. Let me know if you push through with this trade. And syempre, apply stop loss to really manage your risk as well, right? So if mag-break ng 16K, then cut loss mo na yan. Or based on your parameters na kung sabihin mo you only risk 3% of your capital, then only risk 3% of your total capital in doing so. Friend Kaminicom. Good luck, sir. Good luck, sir. Comp is very good. It is one of the earliest DeFi protocols that are there, right? You can borrow and lend your crypto assets on the Ethereum blockchain. So very interesting. 16K plus intay ko sa 25 kaya wag ako gayahin baka magsisig kaya. Ayan. Sige. Any other crypto suggestions, guys? Oh, thank you, Strive Knight. Thank you for your comment. I'm very happy sa progress ng PDAX. Last year medyo hindi siya maganda, pero mukhang gumaganda at gumaganda. Thank you. We're always looking to improve and provide you a better service. So watch out for our app. Most especially our app. We're also focusing on improving our app. Para alam natin mas app tayo, di ba? Mas on the go. Mas mabilis lang talaga kung nasa phone. So really optimizing for phone usage and phone app. Sige, last na tayo. Just last two. Ariel, wala pa kaming Tron. Pero GRT and Uni, those two are the last. Let's do it. Let's go GRT. GRT, musta tayo GRT? Oof, damn. Oh. What can I say? GRT had the uptrend to at least 53 pesos, right? Umabot ng 53 pesos. Yung breakout, I would consider this breakout 38 pesos noong August 11. Breakout all the way. Kasi loko, it did test the previous high, which was 37 pesos. Bumalik dito, 37 pesos, and said, one more time, let's try it. And then boom. It went all the way to 51 pesos. So if nakabentadan at those levels, congrats. If not, kung let's say you were a trend follower, sabi mo, okay, 52, baka pwede pang 60 pesos to, pero nag-fail siya, you could have sold here sa first failure ng support. Or if you were really wanting to look a bit longer, you could have sold here na lang sa 43 pesos kasi at least na-follow mo yung plan mo na trend-based follower ka, and as soon as it didn't follow the uptrend, you were able to sell. So baka dito nagbenta at 50 or at 43. Right now, from those highs, it never got to go back, no? It went back from 52 all the way now to 38 pesos. It was able to find support at 32 pesos, yung kanina, yung 32 pesos back in August. So I think it's a good position to purchase, no? Except bumababa ulit siya at 35 pesos. It is looking to be sideways right now, but if you're looking to play this, I would wait for the candles first. No? I-confirm muna natin candles. Where is it going? I'd rather buy on the breakout versus buying on the support for this one. That's an intuition lang. And syempre, if you want to learn more about like trading, let us know comment section how to trade crypto. We can partner with more experienced traders. We actually have one monthly with open journals. Joseph Singson, he can give way better analysis here. But yeah, overall for this GRT, I'd wait a bit more. Sige, final. Okay, game. Uni. Sino gusto ng uni or sushi? Ay, wala pa. Hihi. Aha. Uni. Similar to GRT, right? It got to break 1-1. Yung breakout niya. All the way to 1.5. And right now, downtrend na naman siya. All the way to, from a high of 1.5, naging 1,000. Yikes. Sana hindi tayo bumili sa 1.5. Guys, kasi I think 30% loss tayo dyan kung bumili tayo ng top, guys. So number one lesson, don't buy high. the rule is buy low, sell high, right? Buy low, sell high. Tama. But right now, I think it's similar to GRT. It looks similar to GRT yung pagka formation niya. Would wait more, right? Wait more kung sideways siya. I'd buy this at breakout. But I think yeah, there is potential naman. But watch out na lang, watch out. May mga bumibili rin may bumibili rin ng marami. So watch out for that. Okay. Finally, sige, gawin na natin to. Ave, sige, Ave. Actually, the market is also showing signs of pullback just a few minutes ago. That wisdom is from Tim, actually. So, I get my wisdom straight from the master. And I think, this weekend might be very interesting. So, tutok tayo sa screen, guys. Tutok. Pero, sige, gawin na natin Ave last. Ave Maria. Huh. It looks similar to Uni. Yeah, that's all I can see right now. Same lang, guys, yung sabihin ko kay Uni and Ave. So, yeah. Watch first the candlesticks before confirming. But look at what Aaron said. More buying opportunities here. Yan, sabi ni Aaron yan. Si Ryan, konbanwa minasan, which is good evening everybody. Ayan, marunong na akong Japanese. So, anong token ang good to buy ngayon, sir? Sorry, Z, wala akong financial advice na bibigay kasi minsan a lot of the times mali rin ako. How can we prove this? For the past 3 weeks siguro, check mo yung Katie's Trading Corner, Kyle's Trading Corner. See if yung sinabi ko ba tama ba. That's the only way you can verify. But at least what I can show you is my perspective, diba? Kung provide some feedback and input. Siyempre, we want to hear differing opinions rin all the time. Hindi lang dapat one side of parang hindi dapat echo chamber, diba? Kailangan may opposing views tayo minsan para makita rin natin yung other side of the argument. Diba? Hindi lang tayo one-sided, diba? Both sides dapat. So, with that being said, we conclude our Kyle's Trading Corner and our Crypto News Weekly. Thank you guys for watching and wait lang, hindi pa tayo tapos kasi may mamimigay pa tayong PDAX t-shirt, but we are joined here by a very special guest. Ready na ba siya? Ready na ba tayo? Okay. With that being said, guys, I will invite a very special co-host now that is turning into a special guest these days. So, that being said, let's welcome Tim. Welcome, Tim. Yun. Uy, Tim, musta? Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thanks din for having me. Miss ko yung community na.
Ayun. Alright. Sobrang tagal na, Tim. Ano ba nangyari? Can you tell us and let us know?
Okay. I just want to inform everyone now that I'll be moving on to a different role already. As you may notice, you will see maybe like a different guy or girl could be managing our community moving forward. All right. So I just want to take this time then to say, like my thoughts about the community and what I want to say as well. So, yeah. Kung nandito pa kayo, comment naman kayo para kita ko na you guys are listening. Alright, comment nyo G. Alright, so una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagkakataon na maging part ng PDAX as an employee and of course as your community manager. I started my career at PDAX when it was literally just a startup. But in the end, I realized I've learned a lot of things. We've gone through a lot of challenges and all that. Success, had new tokens and everything. Dami nangyari, di ba? But definitely PDAX is going to be, the company where I would always look forward to see, even if I'm no longer around in the coming days. So I'd also like to take this opportunity to say thanks to our CEO, Nichelle, for being a very supportive CEO, to all my previous and current colleagues across different teams that helped me solve a lot of concerns from our community members, and most especially to the community. There's no team without the community, kasi. So thank you, everyone. Some of you have been great friends of mine already in the past like a few months, no? So nakakatawang isipin na it's just not a work for me, but I've gained a lot of friends talaga. And as I always say, it will always be an honor to be part of the mission to introduce investing in crypto to the Filipino market. And everyone, please stay safe. Maraming salamat, and crypto and blockchain lang sa kalam. God bless everyone. Keep in touch.
Thank you, Tim. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Grabe yung speech na yun. Touch ako. And, syempre, hindi na nga to goodbye, but see you later. Matatanggal lang yung admin, pero I think you'll stay around, right, Tim? Sometimes magko-comment tayo
Comment.
And for those who want to have access rin, iscan nyo lang yung camera niya sa QR code na yan para masali rin kayo sa community. Thousands members strong sa Kalam. And yeah, and thank you so much, Tim. Thank you. And will you help me in choosing the winners for the PDAX t-shirt?
Of course. Sure.
Good, guys.
Sige.
Sige,
Pili
guys.
na lang ako. Ayan. Random.
Ay, sorry.
Si
Ay, wait lang. Okay, starting
Eddie.
now.
Oh, sorry. I just say si Edley Lovey.
Go.
Are you here?
Congratulations, Edley. Screenshot, please. Screenshot. And then message our Facebook page. Yun. Ako na. Next. Kung nandito pa siya, comment na natin. 3, 2, 1, and thank you, sir. Good luck to your next journey. So congratulations, Virgil. And please screenshot this to win a PDAX t-shirt. Congratulations. And kay Tim na rin, good luck to your next journey. But also with PDAX, sorry, plug ko lang, continue your PDAX journey with us. No? So personally, ako kay message ko kay Tim is, I'm very happy for Tim. I wish him the best moving forward in his crypto journey. Kasi syempre, crypto is life, diba? Crypto lang sa kalam. So I hope Tim, stay in touch tayo. And in the future, invite ulit kita. Special guest, right? Tim's Trading Corner comeback. I hope that happens soon, right? Sige.
Thanks, Keith. Thanks.
That being said, guys, for the evening, go ahead, Tim. End it for us.
Yeah, I think that
Okay.
so ba? Winner? Okay.
Hindi. Ikaw, kung gusto mo.
Yeah. Okay na. So, siguro, yun lang. Salamat ulit sa lahat. Marami akong naging friends dito eh. Sila Reynaldo, dami. Jay, sila Francis, si Judith, sila George. Marami talaga naging tropa sa community. So, tuloy niyo lang, no? Crypto is really the future of investing. Personally, even if I'm not going to be with PDAX na, it's gonna be a game changer talaga. So, PDAX is the key to your potential success. Just make sure to follow your your trading analysis. If you want to go long term, of course, look at the fundamentals. If you want to go short term, like supported with technical analysis. But then, so yeah, thanks everyone, and have a great evening and have a great weekend then ahead.
Thank you, guys. See you, mga PDAX. We're signing off. Tim for the last time, but not the last time nga, kasi we'll invite you in the future. But happy weekend, guys. Bye-bye.